Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about chia seeds, and I have a list of tips and ideas that are known to work well with chia seeds. So hopefully if you're looking for some ideas, something a little different to do with your chia seeds, hopefully this will help you out. Now this is part 2 in a 2-part series. If you have not seen part 1 with tips and ideas, check the link below and you can see the entire list between the 2 videos. Try grinding your chia seeds and add that to breadcrumbs when you're making meatballs or breaded meats of some sort, or breaded poultry, vegetables, or other foods. Try adding some chia seeds to your favorite pancake mix. Here's an interesting one. Since chia seeds absorb liquid and form a gel in the process, they can be used in place of pectin when making jam. Try mixing some chia seeds in your favorite dip. Why not add some chia seeds to your favorite homemade crackers? Why not freeze your favorite chia pudding and make it into a chia ice cream? Now this is noteworthy for some people in particular. Chia seeds are high in omega-3 fatty acids, and those omega-3s may have a blood thinning effect. So people who are already taking blood thinning medications should consult with their doctors before adding large amounts of chia seeds to their diet. Their prothrombin time may need to be monitored for a while. Again, this is part 2 in a 2-part series. Check below for part 1. This is Judy at Judy in the Kitchen. Bye for now.